Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 not detecting the keyboard. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, scroll down and find out a keyboard and run the keyboard. The second method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, select a keyboard and expand it, right click update driver, click on search automatic from drivers, click on search for update driver on Windows Update. Okay, so if any update is available, then download and install my in your PC. So in my cases, downloading and installing will be completed, and it's only required a restart computer. So after that, restart your computer. I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box, type a device manager, open device manager. After that, select a keyboard and expand it and right click and update driver. Click on browse my computer from drivers. Click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer. Select the model and click next to continue. After that, close it. Close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box, type a device manager, open device manager, select the keyboard, select it, right click and uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your the problem will be fixed. If your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box, going to start menu, go to your settings of your Windows. After doing this task, go down and find out a recovery. Click on recovery. Click on after doing is a reset PC. So click on reset this PC. Select a keep my files. Click on cloud download and click next to continue. Now after doing this step, it's required of a few minutes to complete this process, and after completing that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.